Hey, what's up, dropshippers? This video is going to be a brief tutorial and review for viral Ecom Adz, which is a platform that you can use to get your video ads for your dropshipping business. You can click on the link in the description and use my code D15 to get a flat 15% discount on all of their services. Now, let me get you through the website and show you exactly how does it work. So once you click on the link in the description, it will take you to a page like this. Then you need to click on the video ads and video ad packages. Here are the different dropshipping video ad packages that they provide. First one is the split testing video ad package, in which they will provide you with 4 different video ad variations for one product, which will cost you $60 normally, but obviously you can get flat 15% off using my code D15. Second, we have the single video ad. That means they will provide you only one video for the product. Then we have the TikTok video ad package, where they will provide you with 3 different ad variations. This one is comparatively cheaper. Now, if you want to see some of the video ads that they have already created, you just need to click on video ads and video ad examples. Here you will be able to see some of the video ads that they have already created. Then in the next section, we have the UGC, that means user generated content. Now, I really love UGC ads because they have higher conversion rates as compared to normal video ads. So if you click on UGC ad packages, we'll be able to see a bunch of different options. First one is the single UGC TikTok ad package. That is around $120. Now you will notice that these packages are expensive as compared to the normal video ads, and the reason that I already told you is because they have higher conversion rates and they bring the best results to dropshippers. Now, after the single ad package, we have the UGC TikTok split testing package, where you will get 3 different variations for one product. Now, this one is the best one because you never know which video is gonna hit, so you must have some different options. Then we have the option for UGC ads for Facebook as well, so if you're running video ads on Facebook, you can try these out. Viral Ecom Adz even provide you with the animation ad packages, so if you're someone who are interested in getting animation videos, you can try this as well. Now let me show you the best feature of this website, which is the VIP membership program. Now you can get 75% off and 24-hour fast delivery once you buy this VIP membership. So for example, if you want to buy this testing ad package for Facebook, you will get it for $15 instead of $60, which is really amazing, and the cost of the VIP membership is only $50 per month. So if you know that you are someone who is going to need a lot of video ads, then you must go for this VIP membership because it is going to save you a lot of money. Now let me show you how to actually place an order. So for example, if I want to order this UGC TikTok ad package, then I'll simply click on it and then click on buy it now, which will take you to the checkout page, where you need to fill in your personal information like your email address and credit card information, and then write the discount code D15 and click on apply, which will save you flat 15% off. So for example, in this UGC video ad, it will save me $18. So instead of $120, it is only going to cost me $1 or $2, which is pretty amazing. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.